The box made it, yo.
Yo, what's good everybody? This is Suheel back with Flip My Kicks, and today I am ecstatic to announce the man, the myth, the legend, Penny Hardaway is in the building. He is our guest for today. I teamed up with Penny's sneaker shopper, Matt. Matt and I decided we're gonna do a pair of LV times Off-White customs. So first things first, I gotta head to downtown, so let's go.
Slaving all day, slaving all night. We work slow days and we work slow nights.
Big boss man already showed up. What up, big homie? How you living?
Good, man.
Now folks, this guy right here, his name is Ryan. He is the owner of 12th Floor. He absolutely murders anything he touches.
Ryan's made custom clothing for celebrities like The Game, YG, and Davey.
Heat check.
Yeah,
Heat check. It's a little.
This is what we do. This is why Ryan talks to me. Otherwise, he wouldn't even give me a minute of his time.
Nah, bro. You always got fire on. We try to make sure I get stuff that's just like really
different,
hard
huh?
to find.
Yeah.
Things that you can't just go out and say, oh, like this is not regular. Like if you look at it, it's raised. It's plush. Like it's just something that when you have it, it'll stand out. You know, Goyard, Louis Murakami here, NCM, more Goyard, more Louis, and then we get something really cool and unique like the
that's like the brand new shit right
it's the
there.
brand new.
That's that new.
It's the new man.
Like you don't even have that material out yet, bro.
Nah, man. Like we're one of the only people that got this, man, and this all comes direct from the source. Our source.
I can only imagine what he's gonna make out of this fabric, bro. So now y'all see why I came to Ryan, right?
I keep it when I'm posted, dive into the notes, I write a poem. And now my name ring a bell like a xylophone. Lonely, stony, lifting up in that sky alone. Writing for myself, I ain't writing for a Viacom. Y'all wanna buy some chains, I wanna buy a home. Lessons with a German Shepherd plus a weapon, Smith & Wesson 38 special. If you don't know, that's a firearm. They snooze button on my music like it's my alarm. California dreaming, have you California scheming? Pacific Ocean floating, bring the coast in. All around the map, they call it I-10, we just call it the 10, yeah. Jealousy and envy, yeah, that's where problems begin, huh? Feeling all alone when I'm with all of my friends, what? When I'm on my own, yo.
You ready to do this? We're at LAX, we're at gate 50 something. We just passed by the metal detectors. I didn't get randomly selected for once, so this is already a good day.
So we're in Denver, Colorado, and I just found out that our flight's delayed 1 hour because of operational issues. Now, I don't know what operational issues means, but I'm chilling in Denver until they figure out these operational issues.
Yo, so we're slated for Memphis. We're about 4 hours delayed. I don't even know if we're gonna see these shoes to Penny anymore at this point, so we'll see what happens at this point.
better.
Yeah, I know, right?
You going to Memphis, homie?
The box made it, yo. Good, we're in.
So we finally get to touch down in Memphis, and I got a chance to get in touch with Matt, Penny's sneaker shopper, and he's telling me that he's trying to get in touch with Penny, and this is what he has to say.
Just said he hasn't responded to me all day, and he texted him, what time are you able to do the unboxing today? No response. Are you able to? No response. Well, if you get a chance at some point, I know y'all are in the season now, but he's got your kicks. Whenever you get a second to breathe, just let me know and I'll have him come meet you for the drop. So I don't even know if we're gonna get these kicks to Penny at this point, and we're in the middle of Memphis, Tennessee. We have slept like 0.5 hours. I needed coffee, that's for sure, because my brain's not working. And
we might just have to go hunt Penny down. I'm just gonna go look for Penny because I gotta drop these kicks off. So we're trying to track down Penny at this point because we can't get in touch with him, and we know that there's a lot of stuff going on. We just found out he was on the radio, and so we're about to see if we can find him right now.
You guys with the podcast? We're actually looking for him. Yeah, he's working right now.
He's working right now.
Yeah, what's going on? Who are you guys with?
I got a pair of shoes that I've made for him.
Okay.
And he was expecting us, but he's not answering the call because he was
Right,
working.
he's working.
Yeah.
Right. Okay, good deal.
So I don't know how to.
Yeah, you could probably just change to
Is that okay? Yeah. Gucci, look at the Gucci. So you know he loves them customs, huh? Hey man, nice to finally meet you.
Yeah,
in
man, I
person,
appreciate
bro.
you, man. Yes, sir,
Absolutely,
same.
man. Well, I was gonna say have a seat, but this is your office, so hopefully I could have a seat, man. So I don't know if you know what I even have in the box, bro.
don't.
You have no clue? All right, cool.
I think I have a small clue, but I'll see.
So give me an idea what you think it is.
I don't want. I'll just rather guess.
You wanna guess?
Wait and just see.
All right, so Matt hit me up, said you wanted this pair of shoes. I didn't know you were a Jordan 1 guy because I did 2 pair of Jordan 4s for you.
Yep.
The blue ones and the black on black ones.
Yeah.
You know, with that said, man, it's on you, bro.
Uh-oh.
Let's see the unveiling.
The unveiling of. Ooh.
And I know you love that Louis, man.
Oh yeah. Woo. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so we don't have to unsnap it.
Yeah, you gotta just loosen the lumbar right there. Loosen it other way. Press it down. There you go. Yeah.
That's dope.
Slide it. Slide it.
Which way do we slide? This way?
And then you just pop that guy up.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These jokes are dope.
So that's that LV times off-white.
Yep.
That's basically what I think Virgil Abloh would have done if he made an all black on black, off-white
Sick.
and LV custom. A couple of things that I want you to kind of notice. First of all, you got the chain on there, which is the new Virgil's style coming out in the fall. Look at the back heel tab, laser.
Oh yeah, that's dope right there.
Laser engraved 1 cent.
Woohoo.
And I know you know the print. It's the LV Eclipse print, which is a black on gray. That's what they usually use for the guy stuff, key balls and all the other bags. If you look at the sole, right here, laser engraved.
Oh yeah.
And the whole shoe was deconstructed for you, man. I tore the whole thing apart, and then I sewed it all back together. And this is the final product, man.
This is sick.
Yeah. This box right here, that handle there was laser cut, so I could fit the handle in, and then I used, you can see rivets to tighten it up. And dude, we were carrying this for like 8 hours like glass, dude, because it's a glass box, man. All it needs is one chip, you know, one ding, one dude to hit me on the side, and it's a wrap. So all of us were protecting you, dude.
Yeah, no, this is sick.
So
I definitely appreciate it.
Of course, man. So what do you think? So was this the pair that you thought?
Exactly.
It was?
Exactly the pair. Yeah, I didn't want to say, but y'all know these are crazy.
Hey, that's 3 for 3, yo. That's amazing, man.
Doubt.
Yep.
Yeah, very happy.
Thank you, man.
I appreciate it so much, yo. Thank you. That shoe is the last shoe that's size 14, that's an all black shoe in the US and Canada.
Wow.
It took me a month to find these, dude. I gave up. Yo, you should just go wear them outside right now and be like,
they'd be like, yo,
what is going on, coach?
Yo.
Kill him, coach.
Yeah, they're gonna go crazy.
Yo.
My man.
Appreciate you. All right, y'all, Flip My Kicks. Episode 3 is a wrap. We got the legend, Penny Hardaway, in the building, on and off the court. Anything else you got to say to the camera before we let you go?
Oh, yo, Flip My Kicks. Man, you guys, you do it right.
Yo, Flip My Kicks, episode 3. We're calling this one a wrap. Penny Hardaway, thank you so much for being in the building. Appreciate you so much, dog. With that said, I'm out of here. Peace.
point, go get the key.
Hey, yo, the fish gon' fry in the kitchen. Mama working hard every Friday. You should know I'm lonely on a mission. In my path, get the fuck up out of my way.
Yeah. Run the bag, we gon' run it up. Hit the gas, leave a ton of dust. Run the bag, we gon' run it up. Hit the gas, leave a ton of dust. Write a verse, write another verse. Hand me ups and downs, bro, I used to rock my brother's shirts. Know they want some new jams, hit them with that butter first. Turning left to right, but I don't know which way the rudder works. Stay afloat, pray for hope, many folks afraid to cope. Think they got it locked, but they ain't really know the safe was broke. Industry be thieving, sneaking, scheming on that paper though. Watching out for 12 like that oven in the baker's dough. Cop it off the shelf, buying streams and it's blatant though. Millions on mines and I ain't never paid for growth. I just had my patience broke, I just kept the faith and go. I invested paper slow, taking back the days is old. Varsity hooping, no popular dude. Pull up and function is popping and cool. Crazy they tripping and popping the tool. Next day we going and talking in school. Now I be posting and dodging the fuels. I ain't about making misogynist tunes. I ain't about sipping the bottle of booze. Dripping and dripping and dropping the jewels.
The fish gon' fry in the kitchen. Mama working hard every Friday.